What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located at 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. I got a special unboxing for you guys today. Virgil strikes again with the off-white Zoom Fly SP Tulip Pink. Try to say that 3 times fast. But scratch all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. Here we have the Tulip Pink Nike Zoom Fly SP Off-White. So upper here, fully translucent upper that you guys can see straight through, but the pink detailing runs throughout the entire shoe. We have the midsole here, which features, of course, the foam, which you know for all the classic off-white styles. We have the orange pull tab here. We have the light blue zip tie. So please leave in the comments, let me know all the off-white shoes that have the light blue zip tie. You pull up to Stadium, maybe I have something for you. But we've got the pink laces here. We have the tongue area here, features the Nike sportswear, also the translucent hit right there throughout the tongue. Let's transfer to the outer panel, which features the swoosh. So the swoosh is kind of like more of a hot lava pink as opposed to the tulip pink that dominates the whole shoe. We have the pink pull tab right there in the back. We have the inner panel here, which features the off-white, trademark for Nike, Nike Zoom Fly, Beaverton, Oregon, of course, circa 2017. Yes, I can read. Yes, I know you guys can read too. But let's get to the outsole. Fully tulip pink outsole, so tulip pink runs throughout the entire shoe. So we have the laces here, which feature, of course, the shoelace logo right there. And the insert, once again, the 10 off-white Nike logo right there on the insert. Right and left shoe pretty much mirror each other, so I'll give you guys one last look at the Nike Zoom Fly Off-White Tulip Pink. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and which ones you guys prefer. I'm definitely leaning towards this Tulip Pink. Makes me think of breast cancer, so shout out to all my breast cancer survivors and all my people out there. But we got these along with a variety of other off-white styles right here at Stadium Goods, and we are located at 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please make sure you guys pull up. Download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And if you have any questions regarding anything Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. And last but not least, follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.